Plande moa long Olketa woman Blong God. Study 3, Abigail. Abigail one fella woman who hemi got in big fella trust and believe lo master. Olketa people blo Israel, I wanted for come up osem Olketa nara fella nation. Olketa I want him king for lead him Olketa lo time for fight and make him nation blo Olketa for strong. God hemi tell him Samuel for capside him olive oil lo head blo Saul, for make him fast king blo Israel. Saul hemi must obey him law blo God, with him word blo prophet blo him. Hemi tell him Olketa people for obey him King Saul, but must worship him no more God every time. Sorry something more, King Saul hemi no obey him God. So God hemi tell him Samuel for capside him olive oil lo head blo David for make him come up next king blo Israel. King Saul hemi cross to us and hemi plan for kill him die David with him Olketa man who I follow him. This one hemi make him David and Olketa man who I follow him for go hide inside lo Olketa cave and bush. Olketa must find him kai lo bush, and Olketa not a fella people now savi give him kai lo Olketa. Question 1. Want him now you been learn him from Olketa study where you me do him finish about trust in God. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 2 and verse 3. Long not a fella time, one fella rich man, lo line lo Caleb, where name blo him Nabal, hemi stop lo town lo Maon, and hemi got him land kosap lo town lo Carmel, and hemi got him 3,000 sheep and 1,000 nanny goat. Name blo wife blo him, hemi Abigail. Woman ya hemi wise to mas, and hemi nice bola too. But man ya hemi one fella hard man, and hemi man for cross quick time too. Question 2. What kind man now? Nabal ya? Question 3. What kind problem now Abigail hemi face him, time hemi married him Nabal? Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, start lo verse 4, kasim verse 9. Long that fella time, Nabal hemi stop lo Carmel, and Olketa go ahead for cut him hair blo Olketa sheep blo him. And David hemi stop lo dry area. Alright, David hemi hear him news where Nabal hemi waka lo place lo Carmel. So hemi send him go 10 fella young man blo him, lo Carmel for look him manya, and tell him hello lo him. Hemi tell him Olketa for say lo Nabal, David hemi hear him that you go ahead for cut him hair blo Olketa sheep blo you. Olketa man for look after him Olketa sheep blo you, I been stop with him me fella, and me fella nothing do him any no good something long Olketa. All time, long time where Olketa stop with him me fella lo Carmel, no anyone hemi steal him any something long Olketa. So David, hemi ask him you for kind lo me fella, and welcome him me fella. Suppose you savi give him any something lo me fella, please, you give him come. Then Olketa young man, I go tell him talk blo David lo Nabal, and Olketa we wait. Question 4, A. Want him now David, hemi ask him Nabal for do him. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, start lo verse 10, kasim verse 13. Go, Nabal, hemi tokos him. David, who now son blo Jesse? Today, place here, hemi full up lo Olketa slave, we Olketa run away from master blo Olketa. Olketa kai and water, and Olketa animal where me kill him for feast here, I blo Olketa man who I cut him hair blo Olketa sheep blo me. Me no savi give him any something lo Olketa man, where me no savi lo Olketa. So Olketa young man, I come back lo David, and tell him every talk lo Nabal. So David hemi tokos him lo Olketa man blo him. You fella must take him knife for fight blo you fella. So Olketa everyone, I go do him now. Question 4b. How now Nabal hemi answer him David? Want him now reason blo him. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25. Start lo verse 14, kasim verse 17. Long that fella time, one fella wakaman blo Nabal, hemi go tell him Abigail, wife blo manya olsem. Mrs. David who hemi stop lo dry area, hemi send him come some fella man blo him, for tell him hello blo him lo master. But hemi barava talk no good lo Olketa. But Olketa ya, I been kind to maslo me fella. No anyone is spoiling me fella. Long time when me fella stop with him Olketa lo open place, no anyone hemi steal him any something lo me fella. Long day and long night, Olketa barava guard in me fella osem one fella wall stone block town. Please, you think good fella lo something ya, and you think about him want him now, by you must do him. Because hemi savi make him big fella trouble for kasim master with him you me everyone lo here. You savi, master hemi no think good lo any man, and hemi no savi listen lo anyone. Two fella question, I come up lo this fella ves. Question 5a. Want him now wakaman blo Nabal, hemi do him about him karangi action blo Nabal. Question 5b. Want him now wakaman blo Nabal, hemi tell him about him Olketa man blo David. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, start lo verse 18 and 19. So Abigail, hemi hurry up and take him 200 bread, and 2 fella container wine, and 5 fella sip with him 5 fella baig barley, where Olketa born him finish, and 100 parcel grape, where he sun dry, with him 200 parcel fruit, blo fig tree, where he sun dry. Hemi put him every something lo Olketa donkey blo him. Then hemi tokos him lo Olketa wakaman blo him. All right, you me go. You fella go first time, and me behind. Now Olketa go. But Abigail, hemi no tell him husband blo him. Question 6a. How now Abigail, hemi answer him news blo wakamanya? Question 6b. Abigail, hemi no tell him Nabal want him, hemi plan for do him. Why now hemi do him this one? Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, start lo verse 20, kasim verse 22. Abigail, hemi go round lo side blo hill, but where? Hemi seka lo David, with him Olketa man blo him, I come. David, hemi just tell him finish olsem. What's way now? Me guard him good fella every something blo manya lo dry area. No anyone hemi steal him any something blo him. Me help him good fella. But him ya, hemi make him no good lo me. Him not talk blo me. Today, by me kill him die, every man and every boy blo Nabal. Question 7. Nabal, hemi talk down him David. Wanem now David hemi say by him do him, for sense him by no good talk, yeah? Question 8. You listen good, Lord, this fella reading from Rome, chapter 12, verse 17, Kasim, verse 21. How now get the Christian should answer him anyone who hemi tell him something where hemi no straight or make him for feel no good. Suppose anyone do him rubbish something lo you fella must no sense him back, but you fella must do him no more. One name hemi straight lo I blow everyone. And you fella must try hard all time for stop good long peace with him every people. Or get a friend blow me, you fella must no sense him back any no good something long o get the people. But let him God now judge him o get a. O se master hemi tell him lo book tambu. Me no more savi sense him back trouble lo o get the enemy blow you fella. Me now by me pay him back long o get a. And book tambu hemi say o sem too. Suppose enemy blow you hemi hungry, you must give him kai lo him. And suppose hemi die lo water, you must give him water for hemi drink him. Suppose you do him this one, by you make him feel same to us. You fella must no let him or get a no good way for win him you fella. But you fella must go ahead strong lo good fella way. Make him you fella win him or get a no good way. Okay, you fella talk around him. How now or get a Christian should answer him anyone who hemi tell him something where him no straight or make him for feel no good. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, start lo verse 23, Kasim verse 27. Time Abigail, hemi look him David, hemi jump down quick time from donkey blow him. Second more, hemi bow down lo David. Os him face blow him, hemi go Kasim ground. And hemi talk os him, Master, please, you listen come lo me. O get a something ya I wrong blow me now. Please, you no think about him man blow me. Hemi no think good lo any man. You sabi? Name blow him Nabal. Hemi mean him Karangi. And way blow him, hemi fit him name ya now. Master, long time where o get a young man blow you I come, me no stop. God no more, hemi stop him you for you no kill. And do him wrong something, for sends him back, ravish way blow husband blow me. Please, you take him or get a something where me carry him come lo you, Master. And you give him long or get a man blow you. Question 9. How na Abigail, hemi come lo David. Tell him come or get a something hemi do him for make him peace lo one him hemi happen. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 28. Abigail hemi talk more lo David. Please, you forgiving me. Waka marry blow you from or get a ravish something where me do him. God by hemi make him you come up king. And all time lo life blow you, hemi good suppose you no do him any no good something. Question 10. Why now Abigail hemi willing for taking blame lo or get a action lo Nabal? Question 11. Abigail, hemi willing for face him big fella danger, for save him life blow Plande people. What now you me face him time you me look out him way for forgive him not a fella man, and stop lo true fella peace with him Olketa. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25, verse 28 and verse 29. Yahweh, by him make him you come up king, and all time by him make him one fella man lo line blow you, for hemi king, because you make him Olketa fight olsem where Yahweh hemi tell him. And all time lo life blow you, hemi good suppose you no do him any no good something. No matter anyone hemi run him you for kill him you die, Yahweh savi keep him you safe olsem man where hemi look after him or get a good fella something blow him. But by hemi toru him or get the enemy blow you olsem man hemi sling him stone. Question 12a. Saul hemi king yet, and David hemi man who hemi run away from him. Want him now, Abigail, hemi tell him, that God by hemi do him for David. Reading 1 Samuel, chapter 25, verse 30 and verse 31. Time Yahweh hemi do him, or get a good fella something for you, or same where hemi been promised. By hemi make him you for come up king blo Israel. Long that fella time ya, by you no savi feel no good because you no kill him any straight fella man. You no sends him back seleva any no good something where anyone hemi make him lo you. Question 12b. What kind good fella reason now, Abigail, hemi give him lo David, for make him hemi no sends him back? One fella question for you fella think round him little bit. Question 13. Why now, Abigail, hemi help him David, for got him good fella think thing? Reading 1 Samuel, chapter 25, start lo verse 32, kasim verse 35. Then David, hemi tokosem lo Abigail. Me praise him Yahweh, God blo Israel. Hem now hemi send him you for come meeting me today. Me tell him thank you, Lord God, from good fella think blo you, and from something where you make him this time. Him now stopping me for no go kill him die everyone. No good me seleva sends him back or get a no good something where Nabal hemi do him lo me. Yahweh who hemi life, hem no more, hemi stopping me for no spoil him you. And also hemi life, me talk true. Suppose you no hurry up finish for come meeting me, every man and boy blo Nabal is avi die before long morning. Then hemi take him or get a something where Abigail hemi give him lo him. And hemi talk osem lo him. You go home. You no worry. Buy me do him osem where you like him. Question 14. How now David hemi answer him back or get a warning blo Abigail? Reading 1 Samuel, chapter 25, verse 36. Now Abigail hemi go back lo Nabal. And Nabal hemi stop lo house and hemi make him feast yet. Feast ja hemi barava als in one fella feast blocking. Nabal hemi full drang and hemi no worry lo any something. So Abigail hemi no tell him any something lo him lo night ya. Question 15. Wan him now Nabal hemi do him time Abigail hemi come back lo house. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 37 and verse 38. But lo morning time karangi blo drang blo him hemi finish. Woman ya hemi tell him every something lo him. And Nabal hemi zeker for good lo something ya. Same time no more sick hemi kasim him. Where body blo him hemi half dead. Hemi stop all same for 10 fella day. Now Yahweh hemi make him die. Question 16. Abigail hemi wise lo way where hemi treat him Nabal. Wanem now hemi do him. Reading 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 39 Kasim verse 42. Time David hemi herim dat Nabal hemi die. Hemi tokos him. Me praise him Yahweh. Hemi stop him me for no make him any no good something. Hem no more hemi sends him back something where Nabal hemi do him lo me. Yahweh now hemi make him ravish way blo Nabal hemi cast him back lo him seleva. Now David hemi send him tok golo Abigail for toevallen married. Ook het man lo hem I golo town lo Kamel en ook het tok os hem lo woman ja. David hemi send him me fella come for ask him you for married him. Then Abigail hemi bow down and hemi tok os hem. Hem good no more. Me os him waka marry blo him no more. So quick time no more hemi stand up. And take him 5 fella waka marry blo him. Hemi ride golo donkey blo him. For go with him ook het a man. And hemi married him David now. And David, time hemi married him Abigail, hemi got him 1 fella wife finish. Name blo him now Ahinoam. Question 17. Talk round him little bit. How now life blo Abigail, hemi saints behind hemi married him David. Question 18. Was way? You savvy lo any leader or some headman blo line or pastor or boss lo waka? Where you find him hard for waka with him? Suppose answer blo you hemi ya. Want him now you learn him from example blo Abigail, where hemi might help him you. Reading Make 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 3 and verse 4. Long power blo God, Christ hemi give him you me every something where you me need him. Make him you me savvy stop lo straight fella life where God hemi like him. And every something ya hemi blow you me. From you me barava savvy good lo Jesus Christ, who hemi call him you me for take part lo big fella power blow him and good fella life blow him. Long way ya now, hemi give him you me ook het a barava good fella something, where hemi promise him finish. From ook het a something ya now, you me got him power for run away from any kind ravish way, blow people long this fella wall. And you me savvy take part lo life and good fella way blow God. Question 19a. Want him now God hemi do him for help him you me for stop lo life where hemi barava holy for good. Question 19b. Sometime hemi no easy for stop with him family member or with him ook het another fella people. How now life blow you with him God hemi help him you for face him same kind something lo life blow you. Ook het a something for think round him about him story blow Abigail. Abigail believe long time hemi hard for stop with him ook het a people. Abigail hemi 1 fella nice bolla woman and hemi got him good fella ting. Husband blow him, Nabal, hemi man who hemi got him ook het a no good ting and hemi savvy cross quick time. David hemi got him right for expect him help from Nabal. Ook het a man blow David been care for and look after him, ook het a waka man blow Nabal. David hemi cross to mas with him no good talk blow Nabal. And hemi think for kill him die Nabal with him every man lo house blow him. You savvy finish how Axin blow Abigail hemi save him stuck a man from die. Way blo Abigail, hemi make him David for no do him any wrong something. Abigail, hemi one fella woman for trust him God, and for do him one him now God hemi like for you me do him. You me learn him stuck a good something from Abigail, and Olketa accent blo him. Abigail, hemi believe that God now by judging you me everyone. Hemi believe too that God hemi got him power for look after him you me. And hemi savvy that God now master lo life blo him. No matter time hemi hard to mas. Abigail nothing savvy losing belief and trust blo him, lo master. You me everyone savvy follow him good fella example blo Abigail. You me everyone must hold strong lo hand blo master, Jesus.